Hello everybody, we have the software actually out here called ALIYO MOMOT operating system interaction called AMOSI. We have the software AI here, the CPU AI, we have the ROM AI, the RAM AI, and the motherboard AI. All these functions actually that are really good in the computer. We know of the software, the beautiful software that you use in making designs, music, videos, and all that. And you have the CPU, the AI CPU, which is the operating system, diaphragm system, which is incorporated into the motherboard that helps, which is actually the building block of the computer, which is the brain of the computer that lies in the motherboard. We have the ROM, we have the RAM, AI, and all these these five specialties are what those are things that we know as the backbone of the computer. It is further integrated into these parts definitely, and we have integrated the desktop, the driver, the digital wheel, and the network, and the language, and all this actually integrate with the system. And so when you want to drag something, for example, if you want to drag a file, because this is a file definitely, a file and a program and an operating system. It's an operating system, and the operating system is a software, a file software. So when you click it and install it in your computer, it comes like this, and it has internet system and everything. So if your computer doesn't have internet system, it will have internet system through the digital WLAN, and then you can drag and drop files into here, and it will get into it's a mini operating system in an operating system. For example, if you have a computer without an operating system and you can install this. But with this, you can have an operating system and still have ALIYO MOMOT operating system still working in that operating system, and it's beautiful. So what you have to do definitely is drag and drop files into this place. Like for example, your softwares, they will be installed, your drivers will be installed, your digital WLAN will be installed, your network system will be installed, and your language will be installed. And then after all this, you see all the softwares and all the ramifications will start working out properly, and you can create an OS if you want to create a new OS. But the new OS must be copyrighted. It must be an adaptation from ALIYO MOMOT operating system, or it will work. But it will only work when it's an adaptation of my system written that it's going to be written ALIYO MOMOT operating system 01. So, and the AI will tell you some things about it. Beautiful. And then we have the play button. We have diagnostic, and diagnostic can help you diagnose or create a diagnostic process in your computer, and this will help you to know if there's fault in your computer. And apart from that, it has a record tab button, and we have the record. You have the rewind, the stop, the play, the record, the play, the record, and the fast forward and the loop. This will do something very important, like rewinding the operating system to the back systems, and this will fast forward it to the new system of ALIYO MOMOT operating system. And with all this, you can have functions like record the operating system there. You're not cloning, but you can record all the activities that you do with my operating system. and then you can have play, you can play it, and you can have the looping system, like looping the system. This is the monitor, this is the search function. If you keep anything here, you can use it to program. Use the languages here to program, the language C+ here to program, and you can create defense, and you can create so many things. So this is a mini operating system, not a mini, more than a mini an operating system in an operating system. Beautiful. You have i18, the touch screen, diary streaming. We have biosystems, that's the booting system. We have digital DVD, iCloud, where you can store web app, browser, live. We have home office, education, medical, engineer, architecture, design, mathematical, orders, and AI. All these are formats where you can use this for. And it has AI, functioning as an AI. With this AI, it's extra intelligent. I have the magic clouds here, and the magic clouds here, they are beautiful. That means it can work with Windows, it can work with Apple, it can work with it can work with Windows, it can work with Apple, it can work with ALIYO MOMOT, it can work with Android, and it can work with Ubuntu. So with this function, it will work very well. So it can work with all the softwares very well, the operating systems very well. All these other operating systems, you can work with them. This AI, this AI with this ALIYO MOMOT AI can work with them. Beautiful. So with these integrations, you can connect both well properly, and it work properly. You see, because when you have Windows, you have to click Windows here, and then the AI will function with the window, and ALIYO MOMOT operating system will start functioning with the window. Yeah, thank you. They enjoy this, a beautiful system. So have a night, good rest. Bye bye.